Hi, welcome to Parametric House. In this Grasshopper tutorial, I want to show you how you can make a series of Voronoi cells on a NURBS surface. You can see here by changing the surface, it's changing the cells. So what you can do here in this example is that you can define an offset. By increasing that, you can see that I can make a border on this surface. So I'm going to explain to produce the Voronoi cells inside a border from the main curves. And then we have a seed, which is going to definitely change the position of the Voronoi cells. Then we have a scale. So if I just increase that, you can see that they are near each other. And when I decrease that, it's going to give us more border for the Voronoi cells. Then we can also define if we want to make a solid. So if I'm going to hit that to true, you can see that you can convert that into a solid and produce the final results. So we're going to learn how to make a series of Voronoi cells on the NURBS surface, and let's get started from scratch. Okay, what I want to do is to assume that we have this surface, NURBS surface. I'm going to bring it into the Grasshopper canvas, params menu, geometry, surface, and just set the surface to this one. We can right click and internalize if we don't want to change the surface, but let's just assume we want to change it. So I'm going to just turn this off. The next part is to go to the vector and grid and use this populate geometry. The populate geometry is a great tool because it's going to give you the option of producing a series of the count of the points you want. So for example, it's like 4 to 100. And you can see by increasing that, I can increase the number of points I want. You can give a number slider for the seed. It's the engine, so you can say for 1 to 10,000. Actually, this number is going to give you a new position for the points, so you can just change that if you want to. And if you want to add a series of points defined before that, you can give it to the points input, and as you can see, it's an optional pre-existing population. Okay,